Did you know the microwave oven was discovered because a candy bar accidentally melted? In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was working with a device called a magnetron, used in radar equipment. Then he noticed something strange. The candy bar in his pocket had melted while he was near the magnetron. Instead of ignoring it, Spencer wondered if the same energy could heat other things. He experimented with popcorn, and the kernels started popping. He tested other foods, including an egg, and realized microwaves could heat food. That discovery eventually led Spencer and Raytheon to develop the first microwave ovens. And that simple melted candy bar helped start the technology behind the microwave we use today.